Hey everybody, up here above Tunnel 10, above the loop. Little turnout here. I shot a video here when it was still cold and windy one day, and now it's hot and windy. And I'd been up visiting Les Combs, whose in-scale layout you saw inside the caboose. If you watched that one, if you haven't, go back to my playlist of, I think it's in other stuff and exploring places, but whatever. Les has a really cool in-scale layout inside a caboose that he actually built. So anyway, I was leaving there and I thought, well, I'll pull over here and see if I can catch a train. I've already caught two for still photography, and I'll catch this one here. All right, here we go. All right, you can see this guy over on the loop there, center of the frame. That's him going around the north end of the loop. He will be poking his nose around the curve there in the cut anytime now. Just heard him tooting his horn for the crossing for the access to the Loop Ranch. Got this westbound BNSF sitting in the tunnel there. I noticed when I pulled up here that he had a yellow signal down there at the intermediate, which meant he had a red signal at Walong, and he has certainly stopped. And here comes his fellow BNSF. Tooting his horn. There's another crossing down there for the right-of-way road. The former west end of Marcel is just around that curve there down that canyon. Obviously can't see him from here. Read some news articles about the backlog of trains out of the Port of Los Angeles, and the yards in Chicago of BNSF and UP are backed up right now because of the lack of crews. But I have seen, I've been up here for 3 or 4 hours this morning, and I've actually seen about a half a dozen trains, and as usual, most of them are BNSF, but I've seen a couple of UPs. And you see that guy's on the move now, headed down into Tunnel 10. All right. I just wanted to get that shot real quick. Keep shooting me the ideas. Drop in the comments below. Shoot me an email, motorpoet59@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe, click on the bell if you want to be notified of future content. See you all later.